Hello and welcome to another Baldy Tim's Reviews, and today the thing I'm reviewing is what I'm sitting on, the Isabella Thor camping chair, and I'll tell you all about them, so keep on watching. So the Thor chairs come in light grey and dark grey colour options. This is the dark grey version here. And as you can see, it's a very handsome looking chair, very comfortable, very well put together, and you get the headrests you can see there as standard. Everything's been sort of well made out of aluminium or high quality plastics with sort of really good sturdy looking screws and fixtures and fixings, and yeah, sitting on them it does feel very comfortable and very solid, and it's a very handsome looking chair. Just a shot from the back so you can see sort of high quality fixtures and fixings, and it's got a very sturdy feel to it. It does actually recline, 8 reclined positions going all the way back there to fully upright, and you can also get these optional footstools for about £30 extra on top of the price of the chairs themselves. This is the light grey version. It's the 2020 brand new version, and as you can see the arms are a bit more rounded off there rather than being squared off on the old version. These box sections are more rounded off as well, but apart from that, not too different. But I think these 2021s look particularly fetching. And there it is, fully reclined again. So that's been another Baldy Tim's Reviews. And do I recommend the Isabella Thor reclining camping chairs? Yep, I think they're a really good product, really well built. They seem to last really well. And yeah, high quality, very comfortable product. Highly recommended. So that's been another Baldy Tim's Reviews. Thanks for watching.